Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this BRD clip with model number BRD100. So I didn't buy it with a box. Comes with a bubble pack, something like that, and inside you got a charging cable. You got the oil. So you got to charge the stand. Got a little brush. And the guide combs. So these are the guide combs. So it's got many of them. So now this is the clipper. Before I unbox something like this, very similar, everything's the same, but that was a rotary motor, and this one, it's a brushless motor. So there is a big difference. And the other one, the brush motor, it gets louder as time goes on, you know, and the blade get hot very quickly. I mean the other one, but this one, the blade doesn't get hot at all, and it's a brushless motor. So this is the blade. See? And this one, it's just a sticker. Yeah, it's also a sticker. Charging port. Everything the same like the other one. Just the motor, that's the only difference between this one and the other one. So still got 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 clicking lever. So, and some check. It's very quiet. I really like this one a lot because it doesn't get hot, and till now never get loud. So but the other one was getting louder, which is good. Very small also, you know.